Hello students, good morning. I am Arushi Kalreja and I am your computer teacher. Today we will start chapter number 1, more about the computer. You know what is the meaning of computer? Computer is an electronic machine. In this chapter we will discuss computer memory. Computer memory is an essential part of the computer. It is used to store data and instructions which are required by the CPU for processing. Computer memory or random access memory is your system's short-term data storage. It stores some information your computer is actively using so that it can be accessed quickly. And computer memory can be classified into many different types. There are two types of memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Cache memory or register memory is the part of memory, and RAM or ROM is the part of primary memory. Secondary memory like hard disk, magnetic, flash drive, all are secondary memory. Now random access memory. Last class we learned RAM. Random access memory is the part of CPU, Central Processing Unit. See children, this is the RAM. Random access memory is the internal memory of the CPU for storing data, program and program results. This is the read-write memory. Okay. This is a volatile memory. When we switch off the computer, all data will lost. Now ROM, read only memory. This is a non-volatile memory and this is a permanent memory. Okay, see, this is the picture of ROM, which stands for read only memory. All data is stored in permanent way. When switch off the computer, all data will permanently stored in our memory. Okay, this is the read only memory and this is the part of primary or main memory. Now we will learn cache memory. Cache memory is commonly built in the CPU. Its purpose as with the registers. Okay, cache memory is an extremely fast memory type that acts as a buffer between RAM and CPU. And cache memory increase the speed of our CPU main memory and reduce the average time to access data from the main memory. Now registers. Registers are part of the CPU and helps us increase speed by quickly providing data like arithmetic data or logical data. Register memory is the smallest and fastest memory in a computer. It is not a part of memory and it's located in the CPU in the form of registers, which are smallest data holding elements, and it provides like arithmetic data or logical data to the CPU. That is the memory chapter. In this chapter today we will learn memory, primary memory, read only memory, random access memory, cache memory or register. Students, watch the video carefully. Today's online session, so we will discuss all the topics again. So watch the video carefully. Thank you.